Yo, what's going on, guys? Zeno here, back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing the battle with the Drahkens. We got Nova Drahken, we got Royal Drahken, we got Fusion, and then we got Cursed. Now, I'm gonna apologize real quick. I apologize for those who was in my stream. I didn't realize YouTube was gonna do that. So yeah, I apologize for that. We were having a good time, and then when we switched to Discord, not many of you showed up. But anyway, yeah, we got the base here. We're going to battle with them. There's one more Drahken being made as we speak, but after that, then I'm gonna fix Drahken's little launcher problem, and then yeah. But anyway, let's get into the battle, and let's see who wins. Also, I want to do something special for my friends, for my den members, for my pack and my Beyblade family. I'm gonna post their channels in the description, and I want you guys, my subscribers, to go and just help them out. Get them subscriptions, subscribers. Get them higher than what they were before. So I'm gonna put their channels in the description down below, and I want you to go check out their videos. They make wonderful content, and I'm pretty sure you'll love them. So yeah, let's get into the battles. Alright, first up, we got Nova Drahken versus Cursed Drahken. Let's do this. The wind is starting to blow. They can feel the power of the cursed base. They also can feel the power of the launcher getting stuck with them. Okay, be right back. Alright, here we go. And a knock it up. And a knockout. For 1.2 Cursed Drahken. Here we go, next round. Cursed Drahken going around. Ooh, some nice hits. Some really hard hits. I can hear that. Cursed Drahken is going off balance. Will it be enough? And Nova Drahken takes that. Okay, now it's 1-1. Here we go. Next round. I don't know how to count that. Should I count? I'll say, let's just go one more time with that. So I want everyone to just pretend like that never happened. Yeah, let's just pretend like that never happened. Okay, here we go. There we go. First finish goes to Cursed Drahken. Alright. Next up, Royal Drahken. Vanguard, destroy. I really hope this doesn't scrape. And it scrapes. Ooh, some really hard hit. No, Cursed Drahken is going off balance. No, Cursed Drahken takes that. Okay, Vanguard on a short destroy driver, and probably not the best idea. Okay. The reason why this one's doing it because the core's free spinning. Here we go. And gonna be scraping. I didn't know. Wow. Go strike it. And there goes the battle. Curse Drahken's taking it. And the winner is Curse Drahken with stamina. Alright. Next up, Fusion Drahken versus Curse Drahken. I feel like Curse Drahken's about to break this, so let's see. No, Curse Drahken takes that. Here we go. And a knockout goes to Fusion Drahken. It's 1-1. Let's see who will win. Fusion Drahken will go on the launcher. And knocked off balance. Curse Drahken takes that. One more time. Here we go. Hunter is I have to say Hunter has to be my favorite attack type driver, and Curse Drahken takes that. So as we just seen here, Curse Drahken is probably the that's why it didn't burst, because the core. Because let's just say Curse Drahken is probably the best here. For right now, I know Curse Drahken can do dual spin, and so can the rest. It's just I keep it in right because I never have enough time to print out the left rotation cores. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go get something, and then we're gonna do a battle royale. Let go. All right, here we go. The Dragon Dome, ready for the next battle. It's gonna be I'm going to try to do a 4-way battle with all the versions of Dragon and see how well it goes. Just got to get the camera right. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nova Drahken's already out. And Fusion Drahken takes that. Alright, here we go. Next round. One. There we go. All 4 in. Fusion Drahken hit the wall. These 2 are out. And Nova Drahken takes that. What? Not Nova. Whoops. Royal Drahken takes that. Okay, here we go. And first on the wall. And whoa, so did Cursed Drahken burst on the wall too. I'm actually, with Drahken actually bursting, I'm actually more happy with it because it doesn't make it super OP that it can't burst. It makes it more fair, and I actually enjoy that. I mean, I don't care if it's like super tight or anything. I just want the Beyblade to be fair. I want it to be strong, but I want it to be fair. Okay, one more round. And let go. Oh, I'm gonna hit the wall. Okay, no. Okay, good. Here we go. Next one. Final one. Oh, hit the wall. Cursed Drahken's out. Future Drahken's out. Noah's Drahken's out. And Royal Drahken takes that for the win. Okay, there it is. Alright. That was awesome. First, okay. Actually, let me just rearrange it like... Fusion, and Cursed Drahken in the front right there. Well, that was an awesome battle, and I am very proud of this. There will be a special surprise, a new version of Drahken, but it's not new. It's me taking Drahken to the past. A few of you already seen it in my Discord, but this is going to be epic, and I can't wait for it. So make sure, and I'm pretty sure, and I'm sorry, I'm just really excited for it. I don't know how to say it. I'm pretty sure that you'll be excited to see it too, so if you want, just hit the subscribe button, and yeah, then you'll know when I upload the video for the bay. And it's going to be really cool, and it's going to be for those OG Plastic Generation fans. Oh wait, crap, I spilled the beans. No! Oh well. But yeah, it's going to be a surprise for them. And yeah, make sure to burst that subscribe and like button. Comment down below what you think of my think of Cursed Drahken. Yeah, and also, like I said at the beginning of the video, make sure to go and check out my friends' channels and subscribe to them. They are amazing at what they do, and I'm pretty sure you'll like some of their videos. Just gonna end the video here. This is Dino signing out, and have a bay-tastic day.